Dust storms can also pose risk to you and your pet's health. KTSM 9 News reporter Susie Castillo is live with what you can do to minimize that impact.
We haven't seen a lot of people here at the park, which is probably a good thing. Medical professionals recommend you limit your time outdoors during dusty days such as today. One pet owner I spoke with, Chris Kelly, takes her dogs Tuesday and Quarter out for a walk every afternoon. Today, while visiting the Westside Community Dog Park, she was surprised by the amount of wind and dust in the air.
We always come to the dog park for the afternoon, and we were the only ones here today because of this, but my dogs loved it.
After her trip to the dog park, she plans on keeping them away from the wind for the rest of the day. Veterinarians say some pets' health can be at risk during dusty days. Dogs and cats can also get allergies. Medical professionals say people who don't know they have asthma or allergies can come down with symptoms on days like today, but it's usually not the same day that people will be visiting their office.
We'll expect a lot of people tomorrow to feel very ill, and they'll want to come in with all sorts of symptoms, from watery, itchy eyes to sneezing to congestion. You know, it's sort of the body's way of getting rid of all the allergens they've had today.
It will be today. Felix Barron recommends people who spend time outdoors to use a nasal solution to flush out any dust particles that can impact your health. Dust can contain toxins and asthma triggers. Children, elderly, and those with underlying health condition are most at risk. Reporting live in West El Paso, Susie Castillo, KTSM 9 News.
Thank you, Susie.